A for airplane. B for butterfly. C for car. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. G for grape. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jelly. K for kite. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for question. R for rose. C green color. S for star. T for tiger. U for uncle. V for vegetable. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. थैंक यू बच्चों।